Hello Crafty Llamas! We at Crafty Llama wanted to create more than just a craft store. We wanted to create a community, a herd if you will. Our product range and pricing has been based on the idea that knitting and crochet should be inclusive of everyone and accessible to anyone. We set up our Etsy shop in August 2020 based on that simple idea, and it has grown so quickly that we are launching our website just 8 months later. At crafty-llama.com, you can find our full range of stock, including some site exclusives that are not available on our Etsy. We have also launched our YouTube channel where we release weekly videos including product reviews, pattern tutorials, as well as knitting and crochet how-to videos. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook, bringing you regular updates from the shop and sharing the amazing projects our Crafty Llamas have made. So be sure to tag us in your creations and unboxings for a chance to be shared. We have loads of plans moving forward and we would love to know what you would like to see from us. So if you have an idea of the type of brands and products you would like us to stock, items you would like us to review, or patterns you would like us to make, do let us know by commenting below or emailing hello@crafty-llama.com. Don't forget, with Crafty Llama, you can dare to create.